Hi guys, back to the video. Today we are playing 1v1. Please like the video and subscribe. Tell me what 1v1 usernames so that we can play together. Like I'm good at 1v1, so yeah. Please like the video and subscribe. There we go. That's Epic Games. So please, that I want you to do, if you want to be the part of the gaming, the things you have to do is subscribe and leave a like. I need to wash my hands, guys. The game did not start yet, so that's good. I'm washing my hands. So we are playing right now, and please like and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Thank you guys for the support you have, and please, I want you to do like and subscribe. Okay, he's dead. I killed him. By the way, my username is Mr. Savage. Savage. I call it Savage. No. Could he be? I'm not sure he's building. Is he building up, bro? I see him. Oh no, guys. So that's how I die right now. Man, they can't be doing this with me. Okay, please, man, please. Okay, he just... Okay. You don't see me right here? Hi. Oh, he's eliminated right there. Got him. Okay, got him. Okay, so these guys are shocked right now. They are lost. Hi, can you see me? He does specifically. Oh my god, bruh. I'm right here. Come on, you can't crossbow me. There we go. I'm reversing him. There we go. Come on, man. Give me some space, man. Okay, I'm getting bullied right now. Let me build my 90. Look at him. No, I'm getting stuck. Why him? No, guys. That is very bad, but he was good. Okay. Level 15 and he did that. There's no way he just did. What? The song sounds good. Oh, I could have just skipped the ad. Okay, hilarious. So, there we go. Please like the video and enjoy. Okay, I'm just getting played right now. Some people are actually getting played. What is he doing? Oh my god, there's no time to stop. Oh no, I'm getting bullied. No. So, there we go. Let the guy. Whatever he wants, I don't care if he's doing a video like me. Okay, he's dead. He's coming next to me, thinks I'm crazy, thinks I'm blind. So I am trying to save my friend right now. Hey, I got you, friend. I'm gonna try to trick his eye. Where you going, huh? I'm gonna try to even kill my friend. Try to even kill my friend. Friend, I got you, friend. You're getting bullied, friend. And that's a specific question that you are getting bullied. Oh no, another one. Oh my god, I got 400. Oh no, you're dead. How? We could solve this. We could solve this. Obviously, we could. Let's see this guy, where he's going. I don't know where he's going. He's gonna be dead. Bye. Okay, there we go. We just won a game. Thank you for liking this video. Please subscribe. Thank you guys for all the support. So we are going the game again. That's the headshot. There we go. He's dead again. Okay. I'm trying to build mine. Oh my god. I was on his place, so that's why he killed one of my friends. He's coming. Get ready, friend. Get ready. We're gonna bully you. Oh no. You better not put traps in there. Yes, that's what you get. Thanks, friend. Thanks. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna try to bully him right now. I'm gonna push him from the side of his butt. There we go. I see him. He's about to kill my friend, and I do not like that. Do not kill my friend. I see you in there. Are you in there? You're not in there. Oh, my friend's alive. Did somebody kill him? Let's go. Okay, right here. Obviously, you can see him. Of course. Oh my god, no. I'm not gonna get in there. There we go. He is dead. Let's play 2v2 for like better shot. I am moving. I am not gonna stop like the noobs. I'm gonna move my butt up off the ground. Okay. I'm on top of. Okay, he is obviously a scary cat from that picture. Okay. I'm bullying his friend, and he's seeing that, and he does not like it. What up? Come right here. I see you. Oh my god! Guys, that was 400. I see you. Thanks, friend. Thanks. I know. Thanks. Thanks for all the support that you have. And there we go. We won another round, guys. So, you guys, thanks for watching my videos. This is the last round I'm making. Please subscribe to my channel. My channel is gaming. I'm gonna show you guys at the end. I'm building 90s game. I'm gonna show you guys 90s right now. Let's get ready for my time. So we are gonna head a game right now and build my 90s. Let's go. So watch my 90s. Not yet, okay? Not yet, guys, okay? Here, wait, let me build my walls, okay? Start! Oh my god, I just missed that, oh my god. I got it for 30. I'm gonna beat these people up on the middle. Okay. Trying to reverse hack me or something. But I see him. Your friend, go away, bro. You have no one to help. Oh my god. Oh, you can't be doing those stuff on people, man. Oh no, I'm in trouble. Oh no, I'm in trouble. I'm in big trouble. Help, 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 help. Yes, one of my friends came. They... No! I wanted to save my friend for doing that. I feel so bad for him. Okay, so guys, that's the video. So if you enjoyed the video, please give a like and subscribe. Bye! Thanks for seeing you guys, and hit the like button. Don't forget, and I don't know, comment. Bye.